Now we are going to play a couple songs all on one page. So this is Suo Gan, Merrily We Roll Along, Buns Cross Hot, which is a variation on Hot Cross Buns, the quarter note Quickstep, and the half note hop. I'm not going to stop between each song and do a new video. I'm just going to play the page straight down. I'm going to play the song straight across and then repeat it without pausing in between. So it's going to be played 2 times every song. Don't feel like you need to do it that way where you do the whole page straight down. You might spend a whole day on just one of these songs. You can repeat it over and over and over again. Just because I go straight down on this video doesn't mean that you can't stop and pause and repeat the song and practice the song. These songs get a little bit more complicated, so it might take some more time practicing these. The first song, Suo Gan, your first note is G. So that's thumb, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, ready, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, next is Merrily We Roll Along. The first note of Merrily We Roll Along is B, which is thumb and finger 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next song is Buns Cross Hot, which is the same thing as Hot Cross Buns, but all twisted around. The first note of Buns Cross Hot is G. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. That is G. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next song is Quarter Note Quickstep. Quarter Note Quickstep starts on the note G. In this song there are rests. If you count the measures on the 1, 2, 3, 4th measure and the 5, 6, 7, 8th measure, every other beat is filled with a rest. I put an X there. You don't play there, you let that beat pass as silence. So you might hear my foot tapping. It's going to tap 1 time for silence there. That's a quarter rest. It's going to take up the length of a quarter note, but it's going to be silent, so you're not going to play anything there. 1, 2, ready, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4. last song on this page is the half note hop. A half note is the note that the head is not filled in, it is hollow, but it does have a stem. It gets 2 beats or half of a measure, and so it's a little bit longer than the quarter note, which is the head that is filled in. Half note hop at the very bottom of the page underneath of the train starts on G. G is thumb. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I played that one straight through, and you might notice that that last measure, the 4th measure on there, has this black box. And if you read what's in the train, you're going to learn about the half rest, which is the same length as a half note. It's 2 beats, but it is silence. It is a rest. So that concludes that page. You don't have to be done just because you finish the page once. You can go back and do this over and over and over again, and the practice will make it easier each time, and you can always improve on it. So even if you played from the top to the bottom, go back and do it again and see if it makes a little bit more sense the next time through and sounds a little bit more musical the second or the third or the 10th or the 20th time through.